everybody, how's everybody doing? We have a big dilemma. I don't even know why I am acting like time is to my advantage, because it's not. My sister just called me. She said that she's on her way, so she'll be here in probably like 25 if not 30 minutes, and she says she wants to go to a sports day. She wants to attend a sports day, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair. And given the fact that in my last video I promised myself that I'm not going to make my hair the end all and be all, that means I need to figure out how I'm gonna style my hair and what I'm gonna do with it, because right now I haven't moisturized my hair in over a week because I've been really busy. I've been focusing my energy on just remaining consistent, editing and balancing life, etc. So we need to style my hair, and I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but what I know is we are going to use a leave-in conditioner. This is my castor oil in here, and I'm gonna fill up my water bottle just now. And then after this, I really don't know. It almost feels like the more I moisturize my hair, the worse it's starting to look, and I don't like this at all. Okay, what are you gonna do? You need to be creative now. Do I need to be? Really? I don't think I have to be. Okay, I'm stressed out. It's not looking good. I've decided I'm gonna do like space buns and then see where that takes me. Okay, I almost had a mental breakdown, but it's okay. My scalp is dry. It's okay. I have to record another video. It's okay. Everything is gonna be okay. I'm just trying not to panic right now. The worst thing that I can do is panic, so we're just not gonna panic. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. You know what's worse is that I'm even out of edge control. Okay, aren't those so cute? Those are so cute. Right, then I'm just gonna comb my hair out. Okay, I think I want a little bit more length, so I'm gonna take out my blow dryer and blow dry my hair. I could work with that. I like this. I just need a bit of hair at the back there to kind of achieve the hairstyle I'm going for. I'm just gonna stretch my hair with my fingers. So I'm looking super adorable. I have juiced myself up just to put some brows and mascara and some gloss. Can never go wrong with a gloss, okay? So I do want to stress that I did not plan this video. It was very impromptu because I wanted to show you kind of like the spirals I go through when I have to style my hair. And this is what happened. This is today. I styled my hair in less than 20 minutes. I'm really proud of myself. And yeah, at first I really didn't have a clue what I was doing, and now that I'm on the other side and I look really cute, I feel proud that I was able to figure out what to do with my natural hair instead of wearing a cap. I'm not gonna lie, I considered wearing a bucket hat, I considered wearing a cap, I considered wearing a turban, I considered a lot of things, okay, before saying, Titi, you're gonna have to try to style your hair and learn to live with your hair and don't think of your hair as an inconvenience. but as part of your life. So this is the hairstyle I was able to come up with. I wish I had like a bow so that I can add it to my hair just so I look even cuter. Now, thank you guys so much for watching this impromptu, very spontaneous, stressful, chaotic video in the beginning. Excuse that. But here we are. We've made it to the other side and I am proud of the results.